Welcome back to the Python programming course. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a microcomputer which has all the components that you can find on a normal desktop PC. It is great for learning computer and data science, for artificial intelligence, home automation, and media educational projects. You can find a link in the description on how to set up a Raspberry Pi computer for the first time. Raspberry Pi OS includes Python by default. Check it by running Python version command in terminal. But often it is required to install a specific Python distribution. As the first step, go to python.org, then Downloads, and find the link to the required version. In our example, we picked the latest official release. Copy the link to the tarball for this version. Next, open the terminal, create install folder, type wget command, paste the link to the tarball copied earlier, and run it. Next, run sudo apt get update command to update Raspberry Pi OS packages. Next, you need to install additional libraries required to build Python distribution. In the description section, you can find a link to the page containing all commands from this video. If you find this video useful and would like to support our work, please click thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. We are now ready to build Python distribution. Go ahead and extract the downloaded tarball. Next, change to the extracted Python folder and execute configure enable optimization script. This can run for several minutes. We can now build Python from source. Type make-j for command, where 4 is the number of cores in your Raspberry Pi CPU. This command can take a while to finish. Finally, launch sudo make alt install in order to install new Python distribution as alternative to system's default Python version. This command can also take some time to finish. To verify that new Python version was installed, type the command shown on screen. The default system Python version is still 3.11. We can see it by typing Python version command. To better understand, type the command on screen. As you can see, Python is not an actual executable, but rather a symbolic link to Python 3, which in turn is a symbolic link to actual Python 3.11 distribution. Now let us find the path to the newly installed Python distribution by using where's command. Finally, we can delete the symbolic link to Python 3 and recreate it again to point to the newly installed Python distribution. And lastly, to verify that the default system Python is now 3.12, execute Python version command. If you found this video useful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe buttons to stay tuned and to be notified of new video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.